Hey guys, this is a birthday breakfast idea that I made, a little birthday banquet you can make for yourself or for even any other occasion. You can even make it for a Christmas breakfast or whatever it might be. And this is just a fun breakfast. As you can see, I even made some crepes. So I started by making some cinnamon French toast brioche buns. I basically used 2 eggs and I sprinkled some cinnamon into it. I love fried bakes. Press the like button if you do too. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar and then mixed it all up. And I soaked the brioche buns into the mixture and then fried them as you would pancake, as you would French toast. I then started setting up a plate of croissants. I just sprinkled some strawberries and a little bit of popcorn, some sweet popcorn all around. Just something fun, making it fun because I'm making this for my son's birthday and myself, which is why I placed some popcorn around. I absolutely love these croissants. I got them from Lidl and these are butter croissants. I also got some cheap lovely tasty donuts. I got a couple of them, but I decided to just place on the table just 2, and yeah, just to give you an idea of what you can place on your table for breakfast, for your birthday or any occasion. And these are the brioche buns. I set them up like this. I piled them up and then I placed some grapes around them, some seedless grapes all around the plate. And here I am just chucking some strawberries around the donuts and some slices of oranges. Now I love it when my food is colourful, my plate is looking colourful, which is why I'll always go and reach out for some fruit and always eat my breakfast with a lot of fruit, whether it's yogurt, whether it's oatmeal. It doesn't matter what I'm having, I usually add some fruit. As you can see, the plates are looking very colourful, very vibrant, which I love. Now this will definitely give you a boost of energy in the morning. I sprinkled a little bit of icing sugar onto my brioche buns, just like this. I went on to make some crepes. Now if I had a blender, I would have just placed all of this mixture into a blender. That's the easy way, but I decided to just use an electric whisk. And I used 3 eggs and I placed it into a mixing bowl. Then I started whisking it together until it's nice and fluffy. When it looks like this, I added a bit of salt. That's half a tablespoon of salt that I added, and 1 cup of flour. It can be plain flour or all-purpose flour, as you would call it. And then I mixed it all up, making sure that it is on the right speed. I turned it to 1 at this point, so I slowed the speed down because it was a bit too fast. And I just whisked it all together. Normally I would have added the warm milk before I mixed it. I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. You can add 1 tablespoon of oil or 1 tablespoon of butter if you want. And I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I then added my 1 cup of warm milk and mixed it all up. And then you can fry it on medium heat until it looks very soft and looks a little bit like this. This tasted so good, I'm not even gonna lie, like I've really enjoyed these crepes. And there you go, table's all set. Why not start your birthday celebration this way? So thank you for watching, like, comment and subscribe.